today's question asks, find the integral of this using u substitution. So I'm going to show you the various u substitutions we can do to solve this. So firstly, I'm going to do this is question 1 of homework 4. Firstly, I'm going to say u equals x minus 1, just to get rid of the x minus 1 terms. And then we can rewrite this as square root of 1 plus sine squared u sine u cosine u, because du equals dx in this situation, we don't have to multiply anything other than just switching du for dx, so we're just going to say du. So that's part 1. So, okay, so now we're going to u sub a different variable. We're going to u sub, let's just say, sine u. So, sine u equals, let's just say this new variable equals v. So that means dv then equals cosine of u du. Which means that 1 over cosine so dv, or I mean du equals then cosine u. And if we plug that back in, that's actually going to cancel out this cosine of u term here when we substitute in for v. So we get the square root of 1 plus v squared times v dv. So now we have this new question, and we can actually substitute again. Let's say 1 plus v squared equals this new variable w. So therefore dw equals 2v dv, which means that dw over 2v equals dv, which then means that this canceled out, and it's actually simply just the integral of w over 2. And if we integrate this, we actually get 1/3, because this is the 1/2 power, which means that we're going to bring it to the 3 over 2 power, which means that we're multiplying it by 2 over 3, which means that these 2's are going to cancel out, and we're just going to have a 1/3 left, times 1 plus w to the 3 over 2. If we were to plug in back for w, we get 1/3. Actually, I'm just going to make a new page. Yes, clears. Okay, so we get CAD 1/3 w to the 3 over 2. And then, because w equaled 1 plus v squared, then we get 1/3 1 plus v squared put the equal signs 3 over 2, which means that, and we know that v equals sine of u, so that means plus sine of u squared, and that u equaled x minus, or equaled x minus 1, so sine x minus 1. That is a square sign, by the way. It's just really ugly. 3/2, and that's the answer. Oh yeah, plus c, plus c. Don't forget the plus c. Plus c. Okay, that's it.